Today we have a really beautiful free lookup table named Moody Grade. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to jump into some professional lookup tables and test those. We're using Photoshop as our demo, but you can use this in any video editing software such as Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, CapCut, and more. Let's get started with our free one. Here's before and here's after. Before and after gives it a nice warm cinematic grade, and what I'll do is I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Let's get rid of that, and I've loaded a couple in Photoshop here for our demo. They're nice film emulation ones, and we've got Agfa, Monochromatic, Fuji, and Kodak right here. Let's go to the Kodak. Try the Chrome Warm. Look at that. Before and after, really beautiful. Let's try another one here. Portrait 800 Warm. Really nice. Before and after. And we could try some cool ones. Like that. That's the Chrome Cool. But I really like the warm one. There we go. Alright, again, I'll leave a link down below for the free lookup table, Moody Grade, and I'll also leave a link down below to our professional lookup tables. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.